Namaste yogis, my name is Pritika and welcome to the day 1 of happiness series. And today we're going to start with some short morning stretches. And if you're feeling lazy, if you're like feeling stiff, so it's a perfect routine for you to get started with. Yes? So let's get started. Let's begin with the head stretches. Inhale, take your head up. Exhale, take your head down. Let's move our head up and down. Inhale, head up. Exhale, take your head down. Keep moving your head up and down. And let's change right to left. You can even close your eyes and feel the movement. And let's change. Let's take our ear to the shoulder and to the other side. Keep moving your head right to left. Bring your ear to the shoulder. Keep inhaling and exhaling. Keep moving your neck. And keep a very beautiful smile on your face. And let's change. Let's begin with head rotations. Inhale, head up. Exhale, head down. Change other side from left to right. And then right to left. Keep moving your head. If you have done left to right, then move your neck right to left. And let's come back to the center. Yeah. You can hold your head with your left hand and press your head towards your left side. Feel the stretch here onto your right side of your neck. Keep breathing, take long deep breaths. Feel the stretch. And let's gently come back. Let's do it for the other side. Take your right hand, hold your head from the left side. Push your neck towards your right side. Keep inhaling and exhaling. Inhale, gently come back. And let's relax. Let's take our hands here towards our shoulders. Keep your hands on your shoulders. Let's bring our elbows together and let's take them back. Let's bring them forward and back. Let's do it for 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and let's relax. Let's do seated cat and cow. So what you can do is you can sit like this so that I'm sitting like this so that you can see my spine. Push your spine out, tummy in, head towards your chest, chin towards your chest. Inhale, push your low back in, chest out, look up. Again, in and out. Inhale, look up. Exhale, go in. Let's do seated cat and cow for at least 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and let's relax. Let's come to the cat and cow. Your shoulders are right above your wrist. Your buttocks are right above your knees. And there is distance between your knees, hip width apart. Yeah. Look forward. Push your lower back in, chest out. Look up. Inhale, and as you exhale, look in towards your thighs. Push your tummy in, back up. In cat pose. Again inhale, cow. Let's do cat and cow 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, gently inhale, come back. Now straighten up your right leg. Take it out. Yeah, it's just a variation with your cat and cow and thread the needle. Yeah. So let's take our left hand up and let's thread the left hand inside. You can just support your spine, you can support your body with your right hand. See if you can hold your big toe with your first 2 fingers. Also, you can take your hand up or you can hold your leg or your buttocks from behind. Take 3 long deep breaths, 3 to 5 long deep breaths. You can hold or you can count. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Gently come back. And let's come back to the center. Now let's do it for the other side. I need to shift a little bit, so I'll shift my body like this so that you can see my other side also. Let's take our left leg out. This time let's take our right hand up and let's thread it inside, and let's take our hand here. You can support your hand, support your body with your left hand. You can hold your big toe with your first 2 fingers. You can hold your buttocks or your leg behind with your left hand. Take 3 to 5 long deep breaths, or you can count. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's come back to the center. I will come back to my original position. I'll open up my legs. Open up your legs. Your buttocks are resting on your heels, and let's go down just like child's pose, but your legs are open. can gently inhale, place your hands by the side of your chest, push your body up, let's come back, let's go forward. Let's keep our right foot outside the right hand. Let's look forward and up. Now place your elbows down, look forward and stretch your groin region. And gently inhale, take your right hand up, look up towards your right palm. And let's come back. Let's repeat the same for the left leg. Let's keep our left foot outside the right hand. Both the hands right by the side of each other. Let's look up. Let's stretch the groin region. Let's look up. You can take 3 to 4 long deep breaths in each pose. You can just feel the stretch. Now let's come down. Let's place our elbows down. Again, feel the stretch in your groin region. Look forward. You can even count while you're in the pose. Yeah. Let's inhale and let's take our left hand up towards the ceiling and let's look towards our left palm. While you're doing your poses, you can gently sync your breath with your body. Let's come down to the mountain. Place your hands in front, place your heels down on the floor. Push your shoulders away. Let's start paddling our feet. Keep moving your feet up and down, start paddling. You will feel a very good stretch in your hamstrings. And let's hold. Let's hold. Keep inhaling and exhaling. And stretch. Feel the stretch. Again, come down. This time, let's do the last stretch. Let's open up our legs in frog pose. Your knees and your buttocks should be in one line. Yes? Now place your chest forward down. And hands by your side. And let's hold. Take 3 to 4 long deep breaths. Let's place our hands in front. Let's push our body up and just feel the stretch. Keep pushing your body down. And let's come back. And let's gently sit down. Let's gently close our eyes for a while. And let's take long 3 deep breaths. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. And you may slowly and gently open your eyes. Welcome back. So whenever you are like feeling that, oh, like today I don't want to do anything, or maybe you had a very sleepless night or hard night and you're not feeling very good, so in the morning you can do this small routine just to stretch your body, and and then you're good to go for the day. Yes, I hope you liked it, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please like and share this video, and just to get connected and watch more videos, we are gonna go hop on to the day 2. Just stay tuned and we'll see you tomorrow. Yeah, namaste.